Our 100G QSFP28 BIDI LR, one single Lambda optical module features simplex LC interface, supports up to 111.8 gigabits per second transmission rate, uses 1291 nanometers and 1311 nanometers wavelength technology, supports up to 20 kilometers transmission distance, uses OS2 single-mode fiber to ensure stable and reliable network connectivity. This optical module employs EML transmitter and PIN receiver technology and complies with QSFP28 MSA, SFF 8636 and SFF 8679 standards, while also meeting RoHS directive requirements. It has a wide range of applications, including 100 base, LR1-20 BIDI, and enterprise-level networks. Whether in an enterprise network environment or other application scenarios, this optical module can provide a stable and reliable high-performance data transmission solution to ensure smooth network connectivity. To set it up, insert the module into a coding board, then connect it to a computer and program it with compatible code to ensure perfect compatibility with different devices. In our testing, we used a Cisco 100G switch, our 100G QSFP28 BIDI LR1 optical module, and OS2 SMF simplex fiber to connect the modules. First, insert the optical module into the switch and use patch cables to connect the two modules. When you see the corresponding indicator lights on the switch turn on, it indicates successful communication. Finally, you can check the module information and DDM information through commands to ensure the system is running normally.